Hi, this is Mrs. Han, and we're going to be talking about the stratigraphic layers and fossil record activity. Go ahead and read the scenario so you know what this activity is about. And make sure you print out this last sheet. And what you're going to do is you are going to cut them out and wrap them around some sort of tube. It could be paper towel tubes or toilet paper tubes. But basically, they are going to kind of hold it in the shape of a drill core. So when a core of earth is kind of drilled into the ground and they pull that core out, they can see the different layers and fossils in this sort of pattern. So we've got drill core A and drill core B, and if we look at our activity, the different patterns represent different rock layers, and then we've got little organisms found as well. Here you have the different dates of the rock layers approximately, and these are both rock cores that were drilled from the San Diego area. Okay, so first you're going to answer this question, and hopefully you have Cami, so you can just click on text and you can write your answers there. Measure each layer and sketch a stratigraphic column of drill core A. So you can go ahead and sketch it. I might do a little screenshot and then shrink it down and put it in there. Either one works. So let's go ahead and measure one of them just so you can see. So this is going to be, we go to drill core A. We're going to look at the upper layer first, and we're going to measure the depth in millimeters. So here's my little ruler. Okay, and we always start at the line for 0, not the end of the ruler, but the actual line where 0 starts. And each of these little lines is a millimeter, and each of the numbers is a centimeter. So this is going to be a little more than 2 centimeters, and in each centimeter there are 10 millimeters. So this is going to be, well, it looks like it's almost exactly 2 centimeters, which is the same as 20 millimeters. Now, if you want to be super precise, I feel like it goes a little bit over 2 centimeters, so it might be 21 or 22 millimeters. So right here, we have, I'm going to go ahead and put 22 millimeters. And then for the type of rock, I need to look at my core. Okay, it's this one right here, this, and I need to go back and look and see what kind of rock is that, and that looks like it's shale. I'm going to go ahead and put shale. Shale. And then the approximate age of shale is already up here, 50 million years. 50 million years. And then what fossils am I seeing? So I have to look at my core again. And I see these little wormy things, which are called wormy. And then I see these things, which look like little pine leaves. Okay, so we go back and look. I saw these W wormies, and I saw these A alpins. So we'll go ahead and put that in there. Fossils found. And W I think these are strange names. And A. Okay, interesting to note, this is not by accident, the first letter is going to be capitalized and the second one is going to be lowercase. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and do that for each of the layers, for drill core A and for drill core B. Then you're going to go ahead and try and put them in order from youngest to oldest by fossils. Which ones were found in the younger rock layers and which one were found in the older rock layers. And then you're going to go ahead and answer some of the questions. And so, like, for example, this one is going to be answered in the introduction or the scenario if you didn't catch that. Okay, I hope you have a good time doing this activity. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me.